Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. Trendline Forex here on 2nd of September. It's Friday. We're gonna have a look at Bitcoin, and I'm also going to share with you what my point of view is on Ethereum, because I actually think we've got a better setup on there. Okay, so when it comes to long-term trading ideas, I think I've shared this in previous videos. If you haven't seen them, make sure to check out the crypto playlist that I've got on my channel. It's gonna be at the end of the video, or just have a look in the channel, you'll find it there. That's where I've shared my analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty much every Friday. Right, so when it comes to long-term ideas, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a break out of 1750. Before that though, there's probably gonna be some sort of a deeper pullback. So we've got a sell area, a resistance area up here around 27k. We may see price pushing lower right now, then coming back up here, maybe even testing this area, and then I think we're eventually going to see lower values than 1750, but this is the daily time frame, right? So that's long-term ideas. So let's drop down to a swing trading time frame, and normally the 1 hour time frame is what we're focusing on. So what we've looked at last week was a downside continuation, and as you can see, this is the arrow that I had, and that's exactly what happened. We saw that the market is trading sideways. We were expecting a downside continuation. Before that though, we wanted to see price coming back up here, just gathering some liquidity, collecting some stop losses with some long wicks, and then that's exactly what happened, and we saw that next drop, right? And this is what we're going to be looking for in the next few days as well. And again, that's probably going to happen exactly the same way. So we are trading sideways. We're just currently trading at a lower levels compared to last week, right? So we are trading sideways. We're probably going to see price pushing up. If it comes slightly above those highs, that's going to be great. We're going to be looking for reversal candlestick formations, engulfing candles, long wicks to the upside, showing that price cannot continue any higher. And then we're going to be looking for closures below, those previous highs, and that's going to be our entry signal. From then on, obviously we will expect that the market will continue even lower. Okay, so last week we had Powell's speech, and that affected price here. Today we have NFP. Now NFP doesn't necessarily have to affect the crypto market, but what NFP does is, politicians, they tend to make decisions based on NFP numbers for future interest rates politics, right? And interest rates, they do affect price action here on the crypto market as well. So it is all related. We could see some volatility today. Now when it comes to target levels, they're not going to be very specific. They're not going to be very correct right now, since we don't know where that reversal will happen. But if we are taking current levels, current price action, we've got 1915, we've also got 1825. Around 1900, and then just above 1800 is the next take profit level. Like I said, once we see an end of this pullback right here, a beginning of a downside move, then we can be more specific with our target levels, all right? But just approximately, we're going to be looking for targets around 18,200 or 18,300 roughly. All right, so this is what the situation here is on Bitcoin. For those of you who are actively trading crypto, basically look for shorts right around up here, around the levels of those previous highs. And like I said, those are the target levels. Make sure to use wide stops as well, or if you are more aggressive trader, then use more aggressive stops if you wish. Now let's switch over to Ethereum. Like I said, I actually think we've got a better situation here. I like this setup a bit better than what we have on Bitcoin currently. Okay, so we've got this input to the downside, we've got a nice push lower, then we've got this pullback, which is much better than what we see on Bitcoin. I like this kind of swing moves right here. We've got this pullback, and I'm pretty sure we're about to see a price reversing right here. Okay, so we could again see values just above those previous highs. Like I said, a lot of stop orders tend to be placed above such highs, so the market could easily come up here, stop out a lot of market participants, and then drop down once it gets all that liquidity up here. Okay, so when it comes to targets, even if you're looking for targets at this previous low, right, although I am expecting that price will continue even lower, but even if you're looking at targets at this previous low, you're still gonna have a good risk to reward ratio. All right, so what we're gonna be looking for is basically a reversal below 1700. Obviously, if price comes and breaks above 1700, you know, we're probably gonna have to switch to another idea, but until that happens, we're definitely looking to sell right here. Okay, so when it comes to targets from the higher time frames, again based on Fibonacci levels, we're looking at 1212. Okay, so 1212, or let's just say around 1215 roughly. Right, so what we've seen so far is, you know, a downtrend. We've got a drop, we've got a pullback, continuation lower. Now we have the drop, we have the pullback, we're about to see the continuation lower. Right, so placing your stop loss just above 1700 level, just above this high, having take profit down here, that's obviously pretty nice trade. We're looking at around 1 to 3, 1 to 4 possibly, you know, risk to reward ratio on this setup. So that's something to watch out for, again, for those of you who are actively trading crypto through leverage. Right, if you don't, then you can just follow price action and see how this analysis plays out. And like I said, make sure to check out our previous videos as well. Have a look at our playlists on this channel. Obviously, we trade Forex as well. And if you want to stay up to date with all of that, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Check out the links in the description below this video, and feel free to join our free Telegram as well. Okay, so that's all for this week. If you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below. I'll reply to each one of you. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos, where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading, and I'll see you next time.